Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a problem that every Blender user dreads, a corrupted Blender file. For many years, I've been using Blender, and this is the only time I've ever experienced this. You know that awful moment? You open your .blend file and Blender throws an error, crashes, or shows nothing at all. Hours or even days of work suddenly at risk. Then I found a way to fix it, and I want to share it with you guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you this method that worked really well for me. It might not work in every single case, but on my side, it saved my project. So if you have a corrupted file right now, stick with me and let's try to recover it together. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's give the autosave option a try first. If this works, we won't even need the second method. Just go to File, then hit Recover. After that, click on Autosave. From the list, select the latest autosave date available and open it up. Let's see if this brings your work back. Alright guys, this works, but if this method doesn't work, let's move on to the second method. This one's a little different, but still easy. Here's what we're gonna do. First, I'm going to show you the error message that appeared on my screen. If you're seeing the same thing, don't worry. Just follow along with me step by step. Go to the folder where you saved your Blender project. Inside that folder, you will see two files with very similar names, but different extensions. One is your main project file, ending with .blend, and the other is Blender's automatic backup file, usually ending with .blend1 or .blend2. Here's what we're going to do. We will rename the backup file. For example, my backup was named secondfloor2.blend1. I changed it to secondfloor2_fixed.blend. The important part is changing the extension from .blend1 to .blend. Before you do anything, please make a backup copy of both files first. Copy them to another folder or a USB drive, just to be safe. Once you've renamed the file, open Blender. Go to the top menu, click on File, hover over Recover, and choose Autosave. In the window that appears, select the very latest autosave file, the one with the most recent time. Then click Recover Autosave. Your project should now load. As soon as it opens, immediately go to File, then Save As, and save it with a new name so you don't lose your work again. One last tip, always use the latest version of Blender. I'm currently using Blender 5.0 and it works great. Also, save your work often and increase your autosave settings so this doesn't happen again. Alright guys, I really hope this video helped you recover your file and saved you a lot of headache. If it worked for you, make sure to drop a like and leave a comment. Let me know what version of Blender you're using. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep creating.